This has been one of the most crazy weeks in crypto, primarily because it is officially Crypto Week, where they discuss all the brand new laws and legislation. But this really important piece of crypto news dropped, and not a lot of people are talking about it. According to the OCC.gov official website, OCC, Fed, and FDIC reaffirmed that banks may offer custody and safekeeping of crypto assets. Yes, you heard that correctly. Banks can officially custody your coins for you. But we're still essentially waiting for different agencies to give us more clarity as to what this means. And again, it does take a lot of time for things in the US to go through. And again, I'm not an expert on any of this stuff, but my good friend Chris over at Bitcoin IRA is going to take over, kind of explain to you what this means, and also talk a little bit about what Bitcoin IRA is already doing if this is interesting to you. If you don't know about Bitcoin IRA, they're a trusted crypto retirement platform, which allows you to essentially stay in control of your crypto, but plan for the future. And if you're interested in learning more about Bitcoin IRA, before I hand it over to Chris, go to bitcoinira.com. The link will be down below. Take it away, Chris.
Hey there, crypto fam. Chris Klein here, co-founder of Bitcoin IRA. And today, we've got some big news that could shake up the world of crypto custody, especially for retail investors like you. Now, let's first break down who the OCC is. The Office of Comptroller of the Currency, or OCC, is a key U.S. regulatory agency that oversees national banks and federal savings associations. They basically ensure that the financial system stays safe and sound, making sure financial institutions play by the rules. So, why would we care about their recent announcement? Well, the OCC has just given the green light for federally regulated banks to offer custody services for crypto assets. This means that traditional banks could start storing your crypto just like how they hold your money today. For retail investors like you, this is huge. It signals that crypto is getting more mainstream and could become safer. Think about it. You could potentially store your crypto or other Bitcoin with a federally regulated institution, which brings a whole new level of security and oversight. Now, let's talk about how crypto custody differs from traditional custody. In traditional finance, custodians like banks hold your assets, like stocks or bonds, and are responsible for keeping them safe. They're backed by a long history of regulation and insurance to protect you. But with crypto, things work a little differently and new. Crypto assets are stored in digital wallets, and unlike traditional assets, they're not held by a central authority or a physical entity. This makes crypto custody more complex, but also more empowering for the investor. You have control over your assets, provided you manage them securely. At Bitcoin IRA, we've been on the cutting edge of making crypto more accessible and secure for retirement. I personally helped launch Digital Trust, a regulated crypto custodian that ensures your crypto investments are handled with the highest level of compliance, safety, and security. What's happening with the OCC's latest move aligns with our mission of bringing more trust and more security to crypto investments, helping more Americans retire. Looking ahead, this means that banks could offer more solutions for holding and securing crypto assets. It also opens the door to even more regulatory clarity, which could bring more institutional players into the space, potentially making crypto even more secure, accessible, and profitable for everyday investors like you. In short, this announcement is a step forward for the crypto industry, especially for those of us who want to see greater security and mainstream adoption and acceptance. Stay tuned for more updates, and if you're looking to learn more about how crypto can fit into your retirement plans, I got your back. Catch you next time.